Spice Trails, a culinary journey through Arabic flavors. The heart of Arabic food. Inhale the intoxicating blend of cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. Hear the joyful chatter and smell freshly baked bread wafting through a sunlit courtyard. This is the essence of Arabic food, a rich tapestry of flavors, stories, and centuries-old traditions. Embark on Spice Trails, a culinary journey through Arabic flavors. In this audiobook, we'll explore the vibrant world of Arabic cuisine. You'll hear stories of spice merchants, discover the secrets of perfecting hummus, and even learn how to make golden, flaky baklava. So grab your apron, open your senses, and let's embark on this delicious journey together. Chapter 1: The Story of Spices. The ancient spice routes of the Middle East were vital for trading prized spices. Saffron, a precious golden spice, was incredibly valuable. Sumac, known for its tart flavor, enhanced dishes. Ziyada, a beloved blend of thyme, sesame, and sumac, formed the foundation of numerous traditional meals. Picture a bustling Moroccan or Turkish spice market. Mountains of turmeric, paprika, and cumin fill the air with fragrant aromas. Capture that magic with baharat, a simple yet powerful spice blend. It's a quick and easy way to add depth and flavor to your dishes. Interactive recipe: Baharat Spice Blend. Combine 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, coriander, and cumin. Add half a teaspoon cloves and a pinch of nutmeg. Mix well or grind for stronger flavor. Use on roasted veggies, meats, or lentils. With this simple mix, you've just unlocked a world of possibilities. Let's move on to the next chapter, where we'll discover the bread that has sustained civilizations. Chapter 2: Bread of Life. Bread is more than just food in Arabic culture, it's life. From the soft, pillowy khubz to the crisp, thin saj, bread is a daily ritual. In many homes, bread making is a family affair, with recipes passed down through generations. Let's make a classic pita bread together. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Interactive recipe: Classic pita bread. To make homemade pita, combine 2 cups of flour, salt, olive oil, and dissolved yeast. Knead the mixture into a smooth dough, cover, and let it rise for an hour. Divide the dough into small balls, roll them out, and bake in a hot oven until they puff up. Now, imagine dipping that warm pita into creamy hummus or wrapping it around spiced lamb kebabs. It's a taste of tradition in every bite. Chapter 3: The mezzi magic. No Arabic meal is complete without mezzi, a spread of small dishes designed for sharing. Think of it as a symphony of flavors: the smoky depth of baba garnish, the refreshing tang of tabbouleh, and the silky smoothness of hummus. Perfect hummus. This classic dip is easy to make. Simply blend a can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, lemon juice, a clove of garlic, and olive oil until smooth. For an authentic flavor, drizzle with extra olive oil and sprinkle with paprika or ziyada. Enjoy. Chapter 4: Sweet Endings. Arabic desserts are a celebration of indulgence. Golden baklava, dripping with honey and layered with nuts, or kunafa, with its crispy vermicelli crust and gooey cheese filling, are staples of festive tables. Recipe: Baklava. Layer sheets of phyllo dough with a mixture of ground pistachios, walnuts, and sugar. Brush each layer with melted butter. Bake until golden and crisp, then pour over a syrup made of sugar, water, and a hint of orange blossom. The result: a dessert fit for royalty. Our spice journey concludes, but yours continues. From lentil soup to baklava, each dish carries the legacy of its creators. Food transcends boundaries, connecting us across time. Thank you for sharing this flavorful adventure. Until we meet again, Sartain. Thank you for watching. Shukran, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.